Hello, my name is Jose Lopez. I am a freshman at Shippensburg University. I'm currently majoring in early childhood and special education, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about how to get ready for college and prepare in high school.
Hello, everyone. My name is Amir Brower Pitts. My major is business, and I'm a freshman attending Shippensburg University, and this is our presentation on a college readiness workshop. High school is basically the foundation or the kickoff of your career. Each year is very important, and you shouldn't slack off during any year. The biggest thing is taking your SATs and ACTs, even though some schools don't need a SAT or ACT. For example, Shippensburg, it's always a good way to send out transcripts and other things to schools. Dual enrollment in AP classes will help you gather credits for college. And what school should you attend should all be a personal preference when discussing your major and what you think would be best for you to pursue. When discussing in-state or out-of-state, you should always look at the tuition and you should be aware of your financial standings. And that also works with understanding the cost, but you would also should stay committed to your goals.
Yeah, awesome. I actually took a few dual enrollment classes my senior year of high school. I actually came to college with a full semester completed. So I do recommend that also because I was able to get that full semester done and actually do a dual major with also special education on top of my early education. So, and I don't have to pay anything extra, which is amazing to me. Getting involved on campus. When you go to a campus, when you choose your college, you want to get involved, find some friends, some people who you have interest with. And in doing so, you can actually find your way around by joining a club or starting a club. Shippensburg, for instance, has over 150 clubs on campus. You can also join an intramural or a club sport. Joining these allows you to get that sport experience without having a full commitment of joining an actual physical team. Student government is also something that's really important. In student government, you will be the liaison between the students and the administration. You will be able to bring students' concerns to the forefront and get things changed. Students can come to you at any point in time and say, hey, I really wish we had some chili in the dining hall. And you could say, all right, let me take that to the food service on campus. You might say to him, hey, listen, these students, they love chili. They want chili. So you get them chili, and then the students are happy. So that is what you do in student government. Also, you could join a fraternity or sorority. They do a lot of charity events, and they also have great ways to bond with a group of people who all have a common interest of being in a fraternity or sorority. Also, there's usually a lot of campus events. Try to find something that you really are interested in and go to campus events. Don't be in your dorm all the time. Get out and have some fun and enjoy college. Also, you might want to become a tutor or a teaching assistant. The great thing about becoming a tutor or teaching assistant, it can look great on a resume, especially if you're an education major, and also multicultural affairs. The great thing about Shippensburg is that we have a very diverse campus, and we are very proud upon our multicultural affairs organizations that represent a large variety of people and students on campus.
When visiting colleges, the first thing you should do is visit the admission office. This is where you'll meet your admissions counselor, and you'll have the ability to be more than just a name on a sheet of paper. You'll be able to put a face to it and be able to show your personality, your interest, and what you like. And this could help you get accepted into the college that you're looking into. Another thing you should look for are the health center, athletic facilities, and dining halls. The reason why you should be looking for the health center is just because of, let's say, for instance, since COVID's happening, it give you a chance to get tested. Looking for athletic facilities like the gyms and fields, it'll give you a chance to see if this is the best place for you and if you like the athletic trainers as well as the coaches. In the dining halls, you should always try the food before you attend a school. In classrooms, finding your ideal class size is key. Everyone learns at a different pace, and they offer big, small, flat, or stadium styles at different universities and colleges. And finally, the reason why you should visit dorms is to make sure that you don't live in a communal hall if that's what you like. You shouldn't live in a B suite if you're not okay with a roommate and personal space, because this is a place where you'll be able to study, work, and communicate with your roommate. So it'd be best if you sort out your dorm styles as well.
Financial aid, the most stressful part about going to college. First of all, you want to fill out your FAFSA. You might be eligible for aid even if you don't realize it. I hear this all the time from people. They say, oh, my parents, they make way too much money. I'm never going to get financial aid, so why should I even do it? It's completely free to fill it out, and it's not that hard. If you have any questions, go to your financial aid office at the college that you're looking to apply to, or speak to a guidance counselor at high school, and you'll have no problem getting the help needed. But definitely fill it out because you never know what you might get. Apply for scholarships. You want to check with your school guidance office or local organizations. More often than not, these are going to be a lot easier to receive than national scholarships because the competitiveness is low because there's less people applying to these scholarships. For more national scholarships, you can visit websites like FastWeb, CapEx, or niche.com. And you should try to apply for at least 50 scholarships or more. Now, some might say, oh, wow, that's a lot of scholarships. That is what the schools, the colleges, and the guidance staff from high schools actually recommend that you do. You should also try to get a summer job before you go to college, save some money. The less you got to take out in loans is the best possible. Loans can be scary, especially when you get out of college, trying to find a job, you got to pay them off. So the less you got to take out now, the better. You also want to try to apply for an on-campus job. They're usually offered. Some of them you can do your homework while doing it, like working in a library. Some of them you can work on the on-campus coffee shop, make a little bit more money. All depends on what you are interested in doing and how much time you have.
Yeah. So what is college like? College has many clubs and organizations such as frats, sororities, ROTC, student government activities and programming, residence and life. This is all a way to connect with people and communicate with others. Be social. You should get yourself out. Campus dining, they also have fast food and sit-down options. And there are many activities and events throughout the year, such as paintballing, performances, and other fun activities. There's also on and off-campus housing and different suite styles, and there is a communal building such as McLean where everyone would share showers and bathrooms. And you should also look into majors offered, and Shippensburg offers tons of majors such as mathematics, business, teaching, and engineering. So you should always look into the majors schools and colleges offer just to decide which would be best for you.
Shippensburg definitely has some really great majors. Why Shippensburg? That is the age-old question, and you all have probably been trying to get answered. Why Shippensburg? That's what you're probably thinking right now. Well, first of all, we have over 240 course offerings. That is a lot, and trust me, the course offerings that are available, the majors that are available on campus here at Shippensburg are really high quality majors. I know the engineering department works with NASA. We have an on-campus lab school, which is highlighted on there for the teacher education students, which is one of, I believe, 2 in the state, and there's very few in the entire country that have those available. We also have more than 150 clubs and organizations on campus, so you'll definitely find a way to be involved no matter what. Shippensburg offers a private school education with a state school price. So the good thing is it won't break the bank and you'll still get a high quality education. We have a great and amazing career center here on campus. The services that it offers should be taken advantage of most definitely, from mentoring, setups, resume workshops, along with finding an on-campus job. And if you need any professional dress wear, you can also go there at least you can go there once a semester, and you'll be able to get a free professional dress, which is part of your student fees, which I also recommend you to take advantage of. We also have a very high quality athletics department with state-of-the-art equipment, and our athletics teams get better and better every single year. We have a great football team. We have track, cross country. We also have lacrosse, which is something that a lot of people look forward to. I know it's a pretty popular sport, at least here in Pennsylvania, and it's quite fun. We also are a very diverse campus, so you will always feel involved and you matter no matter what, because we have people from all sorts of races, religions, genders, and different identities here. At Shippensburg, we focus on student-centered learning. The student is at the forefront of the classroom and education experience. You will actually get to know your professor. The professor will know your name. You will know the professor's name, and you will actually have your questions answered, which is the amazing thing about going to Shippensburg. If you want to learn more, if you have more questions that we didn't get to answer, you can go to ship.edu, fill out an application, see what happens, speak to an admissions counselor, and we hope to see you on campus very soon.